This is the Padua Podcast Network.
Running a Fever, episode 267, Shattering the Yo-Yo. Clarity and Determination. Previously on Running a Fever.
Patience and persistence and determination, these are all related. And determination, I suppose, is what is the energy that drives all this. Don't know what's going on with my brain today, but it could have something to do with the fact that all I've had to eat is 1.5 apples. So I'm trying to ramp up a little weight loss this week, so I'm kind of catching up by doing, my really light days. I like to just eat an apple for breakfast, an apple for lunch, and some kind of protein for dinner, usually shrimp, tuna, or sardines. And I like all of those in moderation. And on a heavier day, I might have some chicken on my salad for supper. I don't think I will run again for a while, if ever. Like sitting at a stoplight. You got to be there, you got to be ready to go, you can't go forward. You just have to wait for the light to turn green. I'm feeling no pain in my knees or really in my back, anywhere else. So I'm doing well. That's the idea. Just keep coming out here. Very boring. Challenging my patience to continue to come out here and just do a small, short walk and not be injured. Baby steps. Baby steps. Patience doesn't seem like something that lends itself to feverish comparisons. And yet I continue to have a fever for overall health and physical fitness, which is my number one priority in life. Hope you share that.
Welcome to Running a Fever. My name is Michael Davis. This is a podcast about fitness, diet, and medicine. And right now we're in a series of shattering the yo-yo. Getting away from yo-yo dieting and finding a solution to finally getting where I'm going. I have gone up the yo-yo again, and I thought, well, it's a yo-yo, so I'm going to go down again. And I thought, well, why don't I go down and then cut the string? And the metaphor just keeps getting worse. But anyway, shattering the yo-yo means stopping yo-yo dieting. And I found a solution in 2018, and I'm trying to get back to that, see what I can learn from what I did in 2018 that I eventually obviously got off track on and, worsened my health over the last year and a half. And you can see from the clip from today's old episode that I'm not only getting no more than 600 calories a day, but I'm still trying to, quote, ramp up my weight loss. So you can see how kind of delusional I was. I was determined, but I didn't really have a clarity about my health and what was going on here. And one of the amazing things is how calm I am and how not hungry I am, even though I'm down at this ridiculously low calorie count on a daily basis. All I can say about that is it's another habit thing. Once you get in the habit of not eating very much, then eventually your body kind of adjusts to it and you don't feel, hungry all the time. And also in this episode, I'm forced to be more moderate in my exercise because I've already learned my lesson the hard way there, but my dieting is still very extreme. So I didn't take that lesson and extrapolate it to the rest of my health life. But the final message is about dedication. Now, I'm feeling that now, but not acting on it yet. And even though we've had a bad couple of years here, that's no excuse because I know how to be healthy. And just because I get out of the routine I prefer doesn't mean I have to stop. I can adapt. And I already know plenty of ways to exercise and still be safe in a pandemicized world. So let's get busy. And as always, if you got the fever, keep it. If you don't have the fever, go and catch the fever. And I'll talk to you next time on Running a Fever.